What's that one? No, you start here. You start from here. What's that?
A Tyrannosaurus.
Oh, and then...
Shoe spikes.
And then, what's this?
Tyrannosaurus Rex.
Ooh, what did he eat?
I can't eat this.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
No, I think they're meat eaters.
Meat eater.
And what's that?
A Triceratops.
How many horns do they have?
1, 2, 3.
Good job.
Bobtails.
Yeah. And what's this one? Remember, it's Hypsilophodus.
Hypsilophodus.
Good job. And what's that one?
The Diplodocus.
Good job. And what is this one?
Scalesaurus.
Wow. And that one is?
Gallimimus.
Good job. And they have no? Oh, good.
Have beaks.
Yeah, like a bird. Good job, baby. High five. High five.
Look at that. It's a baby.
Uh-huh.
It's mine, Mom.